Welcome back to a new Inspo video tutorial from CV Linens. My name is Myra and today we have a boho-chic tablescape idea that you can recreate this fall for Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving gatherings. Let's go ahead and get started. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can head on over to our website, cvlinens.com, to purchase some of the items that were used in this video. Also, don't forget to stop by some of our social pages to get some more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys again so much, and we'll see you in the next one.